are still here in Baguio Botanical Garden. Just continue my video a while ago. So
Ganda ng flower.
sunflower.
Sunflower.
Yan. Sunflower yan. Tingnan mo kung saan sila nakaharap. Kasi sabi nila sunflower. Kung nasaan yung araw, doon sila nakaharap. Pero yung iba, tingnan mo, parang nagtampo sa araw eh. Hindi nakaharap sa araw. Okay, so this is part of the botanical garden. That's sunflower. The other side, there are lots of flowers here.
Ganda ng ano doon, no?
Mm-hmm. Picnic area. Still in botanical garden.